morning, everyone. On behalf of the management, staff, and students of Villamari Degree College for Women, I, Mrs. Revati Devi Mathur, Principal, take the pleasure to extend a convivial welcome to our honorable peer team. I welcome the chairperson, Dr. Karbari Kale, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Technological University, Maharashtra, Member Coordinator, Dr. Shilpa Pakhi, Professor, Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Maharashtra, and the member, Dr. Chandana Bhattacharjee, Principal, Women's College, Shillong, Meghalaya. I hope that you shall have a pleasant stay at our institution. I take the privilege and honor to unfold Villamari Degree College in the presence of an august gathering. Allow me to introduce to you an institution with a difference, an institution which is powered by intellect and driven by values, an institution that believes in the mantra, change is constant. Presenting to you Villamari Degree College for Women. A visionary, an educationist, an entrepreneur, and a strong believer in women empowerment, she is our beloved founder, director, and correspondent, Dr. Philomena. Her dream project, Villamari Degree College for Women, took shape in 1997 with an aspiration for richer vistas. Inspired by Mother Mary, the institution has been named Villamari, invoking the blessings for its students. She is the founder of St. Anne's School and St. Anne's Degree and PG College that stands tall today, being an A+ accredited institution. She was the pioneer in the 1980s for incorporating computers into the academic settings in Andhra Pradesh. She has been laureled for her services with the Mother Teresa Memorial Award, the Best Teacher Award, and the National Unity Award. She received the Best Women's Degree College in Hyderabad, awarded by Ambition's Career Counselors. Deloitte presented Certificate of Appreciation to acknowledge the efforts to promote environmental friendly and sustainable practices. Miss Chinnamma is the secretary of Villamari. She is the pillar of strength in all the academic pursuits. Mr. Srinivas Rao is the joint secretary, relentlessly working towards the augmentation of the infrastructural facilities in the campus. I take immense pleasure to share with you that Miss Chinnamma Madam has been honored and felicitated as an exemplary leader in the innovation ecosystem by the T-Hub on the occasion of International Women's Day. True education is the soul of Villamari. The rationale of Villa Visi Vista depicts a house of learning with a vision for a prospective tomorrow. Believing in this philosophy, we have the vision to emerge and rise as an excellent educational institution in imparting quality formal education, fostering innovations, promoting entrepreneurship by laying a holistic learning environment. And to achieve our vision, we have embarked on a mission to provide value-based education, emerge as a fulcrum of teacher-learner interface, promote the college as a hub of all academic transactions, and impart moral ethics. Let me take you on to an incredible journey as to how Villamari was born. Let's watch its provenance. When the root is deep, there is no reason to fear the wind, and the brainchild of Dr. Philomena at the inception, what it was and what it stands today. Villamari started its stimulating journey in 1998 with BSc MScs with an intake of 30 students and BCom General and BCom Computers with an intake of 50 students each. In 2002, it expanded with BCom Foreign Trade, BSc Biotechnology, Microbiology and Chemistry, and in 2004 with BCom Advertising. In 2005, we ventured into the arts program with BA Political Science and added BSc Genetics into the science stream. In 2006, the college introduced 2 more programs with the biochemistry combination. 2011 was the year of transition in offering new programs in BA with Psychology and BBA Business Administration. The need of the hour was felt and executed in 2020 with BCom Honors, in 2021 with BCom Business Analytics, and in 2023 with BBA Business Analytics. Certainly, change is constant at Villamari, changing itself to the needs of the hour. And today, the edifice of learning Villamari stands tall as a Christian minority institution affiliated to Osmania University, offering CPCA's choice-based credit system recognized by the UGC under Section 2F. Earning for it the ISO certifications for imparting quality education and energy management system. We are a technology-driven institution, being a local chapter of the SWAYAM NPTEL. To give you a snapshot of Villamari, it is a private and a self-financed institution, strong on state-of-the-art infrastructure, having collaborations with professional bodies, empowering women with certificate courses, providing placements, and crafting confident women as socially responsible citizens. With strong communication, networking, creative, technical, marketing skills, and eventually their professional conduct, offering 10 programs, 4 in BCom, 2 in BBA, 3 in BA, and 1 in BSc, with a student strength of 1,399 on board. Over the years, the faculty with NET SET PhD has shown a steady rise, and in 2023-24, we have 4 faculties with PhD and 6 pursuing PhD as of now. I, Mrs. Revathi Devi Mathur, the principal, have been committed towards this institution for the past 24 years, believing in the principle of leading the team by working with the team. I am the recipient of 3 gold medals from Osmania University at the undergrad and post-graduation levels. I have been awarded with Vidya Ratna Samman, receiving the award from Mrs. Neera Shastri, the daughter-in-law of the late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. I have been laurelled with the Best Lifetime Achievement.
exuberant cultural fest, we present
Vivina Povigo, Shaping Lives,
in honor of the esteemed dignitaries of the peer team. We begin this auspicious evening program by invoking the Almighty's blessings. It is followed by the Villa Anthem, where the talented Villa Marians beautifully showcase the college logo in the hues of yellow, blue, and red.
Together for happiness we pray. Every morning of every day, standing together for happiness we pray. Every moment of every day, we thank Villa Marie for showing us the way. Every morning of every day, standing together for happiness we pray. Every morning of every day, standing together for happiness we pray. Every moment of every day, we thank Villa Marie for showing us the way. It wasn't just success that it taught us to see, but also to love and to live in harmony. Together for happiness we pray. Every morning of every day, standing together for happiness we pray. Every moment of every day, we thank Villa Marie for showing us the way. To learn is what we wanted. Knowledge was all we sought. Understanding humanity is what we got. Every morning of every day, standing together for happiness we pray. Every morning of every day, standing together for happiness we pray. Every moment of every day, we thank Villa Marie for showing us the way. Loving, caring, and forgiving, guiding us in the hour of need. A better people we will be, a promise we will keep. Every morning of every day, standing together for happiness we pray. Every morning of every day, standing together for happiness we pray. Every moment of every day, we thank Villa Marie for showing.
A convivial welcome to the Honorable Chairperson, Dr. Kharvari Kale, Vice Chancellor, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lone District, Raigad, Maharashtra. Sir, we are extremely honored by your dignified presence. May we kindly request you, sir, to accept the floral bouquet as a mark of our profound gratitude.
A cordial welcome to the distinguished member coordinator, Dr. Shilpa Parkhi, Professor, Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Lavale, Pune, Maharashtra. Ma'am, we are elated by your presence. Ma'am, may we request you to accept the floral bouquet as a token of our respect.
A warm welcome to Honorable Member Dr. Chandana Bhattacharjee, Principal, Women's College, Shillong, Meghalaya. Ma'am, we are extremely delighted to have your graceful presence. Ma'am, may we kindly request you to accept this bouquet as a token of our deep regard.
Indeed, our college is more than an academic institution. It is a crucible of transformation, where young minds are sculpted, aspirations are kindled, and destinies are forged. Through a myriad of academic programs, extracurricular activities, and mentorship initiatives, the college empowers us to chart our own paths.
We welcome our honorable dignitaries to
We Win Up or We Go, Shaping Lives,
which is a perfect elucidation of women's emancipation and empowerment. We present to you a gratifying twirl.
दुनिया छूना चाहे मुझको यूं, जैसे उनकी सारी की सारी मैं। दुनिया देखे रूप मेरा, कोई ना जाने बेचारी मैं।
दिल की मशाले जोश से जला के जलती लपटों को हमने हाथों में है थाम लिया। है वो कर जाना के सारा जमाना फिर देगा मिसाला यारों सबको अपने नाम दिया। ओ मैं लड़ जाना है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना हर कतरा मोल रहा। छल्ला फिरते बन के कफन जग तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। ओ छल्ला फिरते बन के कफन जग तुरिया, तन के मौत नू वाचा मारे थर थर कंबदे सारे। Oh, 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 oh.
तेरा धर्मानम, कर्म है तेरा कर्मानम। आग में पग पग चला है जो वही डगर है उसका प्रस्थानम। कर्म है तेरा धर्मानम, कर्म है तेरा कर्मानम। आग में पग पग चला है जो वही डगर है उसका प्रस्थानम। यत्र सर्वत्र जनमानम, भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि, युगे युगे यही प्रथा कथा परिणाम परीक्षम प्रस्थानम। पथरीले पथ पे जो चलता गया वो एक क्षण रुकता नहीं, उसके मनोबल का कण कण झुकता नहीं, झुकता नहीं, झुकता नहीं। फिर क्या राजा क्या सिंहासन, पाप की परिभाषा पावन। अग्रम अखंड अक्षय्या परिणाम परीक्षम प्रस्थानम।
DJ Shoban, DJ Shoban, DJ Shoban, DJ Shoban. DJ Shoban.
लटपट लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी हो, लटपट लटपट कमर दामिनी अधर रागिनी, मेरे दर आई कैसी सजी धजी, देखो मेरे पिया की सावरी जिया से बारी, मेरे अंगना में देखो आज खिला है चाँद। ये बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा, तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा, ये बाजे धुन झम झम झमाते जा, तो नाचे मन झम झम झमाते जा।
Maria Picache, oh Maria Picache, oh Maria Picache, hey oh Maria Picache. Para mari maro meri Maria, para mari maro meri Maria, para mari maro meri Maria. Dishum dishum dishum. Barradata maumiluzi ishtati gombir Barradata maumiluzi ishtati gombir Alegna entrada miluzi triste saída Alegna entrada miluzi triste saída
सराट पैरों से बेड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय
तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं तां जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं तां जागा रातां नूं रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ इश्क तेरा तड़पावे
సూర్యుడ ఉయ్యాలో నిలవన్న కాడ ఉయ్యాలో నితి మీద సూర్యుడ ఉయ్యాలో నిలవన్న కాడ ఉయ్యాలో పాపట్ల చంద్రుడ ఉయ్యాలో
நாடா இது சப்ப பீட்டு கொளுத்துக்கடா மஜாபா பாத்தி கம்மி ஓகே
ഇവിടെ ഒരു ജാഗരയും വേലകളിൽ आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो, जय हो। रत्ती सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। Champagne ho, come and dance, come and dance,
Good evening to one and all. It's a wonderful evening, wonderful event, huge energy, great attitude, great affection, and have taken us in a very deep gratitude by showing the integrity of the nation and by showing the integrations of the platform that perform by bottom of heart. It shows the affection, it shows the love toward the society, toward the nation and among ourselves. We are deeply indeed proud to see the performance of the young girls and very bottom of heart, their energy, their talent and their inclination for achieving the desired level of achievement to this particular institute. So we must thank to all the performers and those who are performing and seeing them in front of all the beloved students of this institution. A great big thank to all of you for giving us the wonderful night and evening culture activity. Thank you very much.
Hey, good evening all. It was a wonderful performance and thank you so much for this cultural diversity, and I strongly believe each one of the performer today deserves a round of applause, and we'll also say 3 kudos for them. Are you ready for it? Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you so much and congratulations from the youngest performer to the senior most performer of this evening. Thank you so much.
I'm overwhelmed. I'm just overwhelmed seeing the energy of the student. It's undaunting. I don't know who has guided you so far. Students can go beyond your wings. I can see flying. I also see your teachers are equally the staff, equally in the field. You are flying, and as the college mission and vision promises, you are flying. Keep it up.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे